Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is online class for 12th standard subject commerce. Today we are going to see the new chapter and new unit. That is company law and secret practices. That is chapter number 26, Company Act 2013. These are the things we are going to see detailed in manner about company law. What are the things we have studied in a last chapter and last previous class? Now we are going to be discussed. There are many things are known about in these chapters. Let us see what are the things we are going to be studying. Development in company law and logistics of company law. Elementary of ideas on formations of company. The role of promoters. Meaning of shares and debentures. The basic idea of share certificate and share warrant. These are the things we are going to be discussed in this chapter. Okay, concept of company law. Concept of company law or corporation is a business, it's not a new. It is and it deals with the 4th century BC. During the Asasasra days, it is a shape got by the revoked over a period of time. According to the needs of business, the dynamic company forms a business has then a certain distinct of advantages over the other form of business like sole proprietorship, partnership, etc. It includes the features such as limited liability and Perpetual Succession Act. Evaluation of and history of Indian Company Act எப்போதுலேருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து 1600ல் சார்ட்டர்ட் வித் த ராயல் சார்ட்டர்ட் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் அவங்க தான் வந்து எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ணாங்க 1600 பிசியில். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கிலாண்டில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1884 வந்து திருப்பி ரீஅமெண்ட்மெண்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அப்புறம் 1885 இந்தியன் ஸ்டாக் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்ச், 1884 அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து 1857 1913 இங்கெல்லாம் வந்து ஆக்ட் பாஸ் பண்ணி லாஸ்ட்டில் வந்து 1956 கடைசி வந்து இந்தியாவில் வந்து பார்லிமெண்ட் ஆக்ட் 1956 தான் பாஸ் பண்ணாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் இப்போ வந்து 2013 திருப்பி ரீஅமெண்ட்மெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இதுதான் வந்து கம்பெனி லாவோட ஹிஸ்ட்ரி, அதாவது சரித்திரம் எப்போ ஆரம்பிச்சது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1600 பிசி. அந்த இடத்துலையே நம்மளோட கம்பெனி லான்றது ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் மீனிங் அண்ட் டெஃபினிஷன் ஆஃப் கம்பெனி. கம்பெனினா என்ன பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து இட் இஸ் அ derived from the come with together means breeds. It is an origin and refers to an association of a persons who took their meals together. A company is a corporation body and the legal persons have the status and personalities of decision and separate form of their members and contributors. This is the meaning and definition of company. Next, according to the corporation, it is a legal person is created by the process and other than the maturity of a birth. It is then a seasonal and sometimes is called a artificial and legal persons. As then a legal persons as a corporated, it is enjoyed with then a rights and equipment of a liabilities of a natural person. This is a definition. Next, body of corporate. Body of corporate அப்படின்னா நம்ம the rules and regulations within an organization தான் body of corporate. A body of corporate means the corporate entities which have been the legal existence. According to section 2, a body of corporate or corporate includes the private companies and public companies. It's one of the people who have been then contributed to the small company, limited liabilities of partnership, foreign company, incorporate of outside of India. We can read. This is then corporation of a business and registration under then a company law. Relating to then a cooperative of society, any other body of corporations is then a being is a defined within this act. This is then body of corporate. Next, the form of incorporation of a company. Section 3 of subsection 1, the act is a states of then a company is made of the followed by then a lawful of purpose by then a 7 or more persons. கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கணும், 7 பேர் இருக்கணும். பப்ளிக் கார்பரேஷன் இல்லை, ப்ரைவேட்டில் வந்து 2 or more பர்சன் இருக்கணும். இதில் 1 பர்சன் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து பப்ளிக் கார்பரேஷன்லேயும் இருக்கலாம், ப்ரைவேட்லேயும் இருக்கலாம். இதெல்லாம் வந்து ரூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ். Next, share and debentures. Share and debentures அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா the term share and share capital. ஷேர்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the selling of ownership தான் share. capital என்றது to getting then investment amount, that is called share capital. The term capital is then viewed by then a layman of a money which has been business is then processed by the investment of business. In case of then a company raises the capital by issuing the share. These are the issued and raised by the capital of issued by the share, and they are used by the money. Acquiring then a business premises and stock in then a trade, which are called as then fixed capital and circumference of then capital. They are the respect of then face of loan and borrowed by the capital. It sometimes they are used to then money of borrowed by then a company or secured by the misusing of debentures. These are however not be a purpose of then a word of capitals. Share. The term share is viewed as then a layman of a fractions of a promotions. It is then a capital is a contributor to then equal denomination. In simple, they are totally of then a share which has been according to the section 2 of subsection 84. A company is an act of 24. The share means that a share is a share capital of a company. It's included then a stock except the between then a stock and share is the implementation. Kinds of share. There is a preference share and equity share. Equity share are already we are discussed about. Equity share is a give then a priority to the person, and preference share is the first priority is given to the preference shareholder. They are the kinds of preference shareholders. It's an cumulative share, non-cumulative share, redeemed preference share, and non-redeemed preference share. These are the various kinds of share: convertible share, non-convertible share, participation share, non-participation share. Issue of share bonus and right issue at the premium. அப்போ ப்ரீமியம்லையும் ஷேர்லையும் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they are giving then a bonus to the investors. Thank you to all. Have a nice day. This is the topic which we have covered in this chapter. Thank you to all. Thank you one and all.